Hey loves, it's Brianna with my 5 a.m. morning routine for 2023 as a solo mom. Some things have changed, whereas some things have stayed pretty similar. So I hope that you enjoy this new routine and subscribe if you're new. I wake up at 5 a.m. and make coffee and brush my teeth, put in my contacts, and get dressed before I head to my 6 a.m. workout class.
Collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see.
I was just talking with a woman in there. It is so hard getting up to do those early morning workouts. This is the 6 a.m. one, so I have to be up at 5 in order to get to the class and everything on time. We're like, once you're done, because now it's not even 7 a.m. because the class ends like right before 7, you're like, oh, I accomplished so much already today. I'm like, I'm ready to take on the rest of the day. It just like makes you feel so much better. Once I'm back home, I feed Coley and make another coffee.
Quiet voices in the night.
All right, so it is finally daylight out and I've got to run and go get the kids from Adam and take the big kids to school and bring Hay back home with me.
Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk.
All righty. I love you. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Landon wasn't feeling well on this day, so normally I drop both of the big kids off, but on this day Landon and Hayden took naps when we got home, so I took a shower and got ready for the day.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
And I'd like to thank Hungryroot for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't heard of Hungryroot before, it's a tech-enabled grocery service that delivers groceries right to your doorstep based on your personal preferences and your lifestyle. So when you sign up at Hungryroot, I love this part about it. You take this quiz. It's so fast and easy, but it helps make all the food be catered perfectly to you and your family. It's going to ask you about the foods that you like, the foods that you dislike, any allergies, any goals that you have. If you want to save time in the kitchen, if you want to eat healthier, if you want to save money, it asks you how many meals you're shopping for every single week, from breakfast, lunches, dinners, snacks, and then it caters the food to your likes. And what's really cool is the more that you end up using Hungryroot, it gets even better at knowing the foods that you and your family are going to love. What I personally really love as a mom is just how much time it has saved me. There are recipes that are 10 minutes or less, and it's really healthy food that, again, as a mom, you want to try to feed delicious food, but also healthy food to your family, and Hungryroot has helped me to do that. So I just love it. It's been saving me time, it's been saving me money, and Hungryroot has kept me from getting bored because I constantly get to try some new recipes that are easy and healthy for me and the kids. I love it, could not recommend it to you more. And of course, I worked out a deal for you guys. So the first 100 people who use my code Brianna K are going to get 40% off of your first order from Hungryroot. So you can either use the link, I have one down in my description box below, or head over to hungryroot.com and use the code Brianna K to get 40% off. So for breakfast, I'm gonna have this sweet banana bread and some of this yogurt. It's like a probiotic raspberry yogurt. And I'm just gonna add some fresh blackberries to it then. But both of these came in my Hungryroot box. So I realized this is more of a milk. It actually says it's like a probiotic flavored milk than a yogurt. So I put it in a cup and the banana bread and some blackberries. That's so good. It's definitely way thicker than your typical milk. It's definitely more of a smoothie texture, but that tastes so good. I love that. Definitely will want to reorder that in my box. Let's try the banana bread. That is like so moist and good. Delicious. Oh my gosh. I love this. And that's one of the things I love about Hungryroot is I never get bored. I always get to try new things that I know are healthy. After I ate breakfast, I do some cleaning or organizing around the house, so I straightened up the family room.
If you had to leave, I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Next, I cleaned up the kitchen.
Oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. Give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end.
Finally, I head into my office to get some work done. I've got some really exciting new projects that I've been working on, and I cannot wait to share more.
I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
I think I've showed it in other videos, but I painted the wall color in here recently, and I'm trying to figure out what should I do on this wall, because we ended up moving the shelves to this wall. It like fit kind of perfectly with the door. And one of the things I've been looking for, maybe you can tell me if there's a good one out there, is a stencil, because the sun bleached the cork. And so on Pinterest, I've seen these really cool ways that people have painted the cork boards. So I was trying to find a really pretty stencil that maybe could go on there that I could paint white, so it would be like a really pretty background. But let me know if that's what you would do, is like paint the cork board there, and what kind of art could I put on this wall. I just realized I'm pretty sure Hayden, he was walking around with one of these. I think he pulled out all of the pink hearts that I had on the bottom, because they're only on the top now. Oh, Hayden. But if you want some cleaning inspiration and some Valentine's Day decor, check out my Valentine's Day Clean and Decorate With Me video when you're done watching this one. And I just realized Hayden's also been decorating. This was on my coffee bar, and I was wondering where it went. It's hanging on the new tree that I put over here in the living room to kind of add a little pop of green as we go into spring here.
If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you.
All right, that is my new morning routine for 2023, now that I'm solo momming it. So if you have any other video requests that you would like to see, let me know down in the comments below. And just thank you so much for all of the continued encouragement and support. It seriously means so much, and it keeps me going on some really tough days. And just know, if you are going through anything similar or any difficult season right now, I'm sending you so much love. I truly mean that. You just always need to leave a little prayer request, or if you'd like some good thoughts and positivity sent your way, let us know down in the comments below. Also, let us know if you're new here. Hit that subscribe button and say hello down in the comments. We always like to welcome new people to our community. And just if you have any video requests, again, for 2023, let me know down below. But I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today. Bye.
Oh, I just wanna love you.